Um, Hey guys, it's DIY week, and Shani already took my idea, but I'm going to do it anyways. So today I'm making tea. Okay, so firstly you're going to need a messy bedroom. Yep, got it. Then boiler, tea. I'm just making myself some chamomile tea because I'm sick. You're also going to need a mug, glass, cup thingy. Okay. Also, water is good. Okay, so just by doing so. Yay. Christmas. Oh, the Christmas. While waiting, I like to go on Tumblr. Puppies are great. Okay, so once the water's good, you take your bag, do this thingy. Try not to ruin everything. Wow. And so you have a cup of tea that's going to make you feel better. I think. At least it does for me. This is my favorite. And then you watch your girlfriend do stuff. The last step to making tea is to throw your bag away, take pictures of how artsy it is, maybe drink it when it's cold a little. Yeah. Thanks for watching. There's social thingies down below. Click like if you liked it. I'm going to see you next week with a better video. Okay, I'll see you later. Yeah, check out Megan's video tomorrow.